Okay guys, here's how I managed to catch a 1000 pips movement from gold. So you guys can see, running 1000 pips. Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. Now in today's video, I'll be sharing you guys the free strategy of how I managed to catch a 1000 pip move with gold. Alright, right now I'm still holding my buys, which I'll show you guys in a bit. Actually, I'll just show you guys right now. Let me just take out my phone. It's charging, of course. So as you guys can see, running 5k in profits right now. I'm not sure if you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see, but obviously swing. Alright, only buys, no sells. Today I'm still up overall 1%, so that's pretty good. But today's main focus is for me to actually share with you guys the strategy that actually managed to give me a 100 pip move. What, not 100 pip, 1000 pip move, guys. Imagine a 1000 pip move. And I'm giving you guys this free sauce. Alright, free strategy, free sauce. What else can you guys ask for? Alright, it's literally as simple as that. You guys just have to do your own due diligence of journaling, and yeah, let me show you guys real quick. Alright, so now there's two things you guys have to take note. Alright, time frame. Now I'm not gonna explain what is time frame. This is not a beginner class or whatsoever. Two time frames that you guys should be using: 1 hour and 5 minutes. Alright, 1 hour and 5 minutes, as simple as that. 1 hour to find and mark out your liquidity, 5 minutes is to entry. Alright, very simple. I'm not gonna like go through the basics of what is liquidity, you know, fair value gaps, etc. Let's just jump straight to the strategy. Right, so 1 hour liquidity, right? I'm just gonna write this down. 5 minutes we is using it for entry. Alright, now entry model wise will be liquidity sweep, not liquidity sweep plus a 5 minute fair value gap or an inverse fair value gap. Vice versa, if it was a run, it will be liquidity run plus 5 minute fair value gap or an inverse fair value gap. Alright, very simple model. What is fair value gap? Go through my other education video. If you guys want to join, it's completely free. I repeat, completely free. Guys, I'm saying this all the time. It's free, it's free, it's free. Why are you guys joining, guys? It's free. Alright, yeah, don't give me some stupid excuse. Oh, it's free, just join. Okay, so moving on. 1 hour, if I'm not mistaken, let me just check real quick on where I actually entered. Alright, so my first initial entry was 3699.93. Now let's see, that was, wow, okay, 3699.93. I believe it was somewhere on here, 3699.93. Alright, somewhere around here. Yep. Now, how did I actually go for this buy was, I think it looks like a liquidity run to me, but we will see. So I believe I marked out this liquidity right here, alright, prior when price actually ran or even ran through. So I marked out this liquidity, right? It was a fresh liquidity. Alright, now what did I do after that? I actually went on the 5 minute and waited. Alright, mark out your liquidity, go to the 5 minute, wait, because you guys need to wait for an inverse of fair value gap. Alright, now we move on. Let's see. Oh, it looks like it wants to dump. Alright, so what do we have here? Very simple thing. Alright, I'll just mark out this fair value gap. Okay, I'll mark out this fair value gap. Boom, mark out this fair value gap. Alright, it is either gonna respect this fair value gap or it is gonna inverse. Right, so what do I mean by that? I'm just gonna do a quick explanation. Alright, nothing too stressful, nothing too much for you guys. Respect means this, disrespect means it will just break through. Right, very simple. Okay, now moving on, we're on the replay button. Let's see if it inverse or it respect. Now it looks like it did respect, right? What do we have here? It looks like a run, but for me I feel like there isn't much confluence. Alright, I want to wait for two bullish candle right after the run. Alright, so even though we have a fair value gap, it respected the fair value gap. I think it did. Yeah, it did. Did it freaking touch the fair value gap? It did, right here. Yeah, it did touch. Alright, and then I waited for another candle. If it's a bullish candle, I would definitely buy. See, not a bullish candle. We had one, we had to. This is my confirmation, alright? And then I went for a, let me just see, buy. Okay, let's say we went with a 1.0 lot. Oh, this is 0.01. What the fuck? Let's try 0.00. No. Let's just play with this 100. 1000. Lot 10. Okay. My SL will obviously be somewhere around here, below the FVG. If I'm risking 4.5k, I should at least make, how much I make, right? How much I make from here? I should at least make times 2 the amount, which is either 4.5, there is a 1:1, or times 2, which is, do the max, 9k, give or take. Right, this is a 1:2, it's a positive RR. But knowing that gold is a safe haven, alright, with all the US economics data, it's definitely gonna go up, right? Gold is gonna go up and keep on continuing to go up. So that is why I held a minor position to all-time high. And where is all-time high? 4,000. That is what I believe price will go to lah. But at a point of time, I believe all-time high was very far lah. So example, if I just, let me just put this right here first, and then put my stop loss here. It was a 47 pips stop loss, give or take 48 pips. And then I targeted, let me just go back to the 1 hour. I targeted, oh my god, 1000 pips, alright? So it'll be 3799, 3798.29, so it'll be 3798.29. That's 1000 pips, alright? Now of course the trade actually went into, wait, was I right? Yeah, it was my initial entry. Look, 3699 guys, 3699 fucking 9. Alright, go back to the 5 minute. Go back to the 5 minute. It's so big. That's what she said. But my TP will be here. Alright, now guys, look at this. Obviously I didn't use this lot size lah. It would be crazy. I would have made 100 bands, alright? But I am risking roughly 5k to make 100k. Now let's see. I'll split it times 10 and let's see. Okay. This is your, look, instant reaction to the FVG, and then buy all the way. It's floating in profits, running 28k, 30k, 40k, 1:5 already, 1:5, 1:10, running. Very simple entry. Alright, I'm just gonna show once. I'm gonna show it once. 50k. Alright, eventually we hit TP because gold is at all-time high. So right now what I should do is I should set to break even. Set it break even, and then wait for it. This is the fun of backtesting, guys. Actually, you know, trying your strategy and showing to the world that your strategy works. Alright, and I'm sharing it to you guys for free. Alright guys, for free. Alright. Quite gently. Okay, so consolidate as normal. Just gonna wait. Is it gonna go back? I think it didn't lah. Every retrace, okay, one thing guys, during an all-time high, every retracement is an opportunity for buys. You may scalp sells and whatnot, but just know that all of it is like, you know, I wouldn't say luck lah, but I would say like stupid lah, because during all-time high you should only buy, shouldn't sell. Okay, yeah, and I did a mistake of selling of course today, but yeah, even your own mentor makes mistakes sometimes, but you know, it's all good. Oh my god, it's taking forever guys. I know you guys don't want to see this. I just want to get to the point where it actually just hit the fucking TP, but oh, just go 1 hour lah. See. Boom! 100k running. Look guys, 100k running. Still going up. Let's close this fucking position lah, because already 1000 pips guys. 1,000 pips. Alright. So congrats trader. Look, profit in cash 160k. Win rate 100%, but of course I didn't make the amount lah. If I make, then I'll be, you know, yeah, whatever. Okay, so 1 hour. Now we're gonna show you guys how I did enter again. Okay, now first and foremost, mark out your liquidity. Let's say for example, you don't know where's your liquidity, right? Here is your liquidity. Mark out on the 1 hour. You go back to the 5 minute. Now next thing on the 5 minute, you have to wait for one of these. It's either a liquidity sweep or a liquidity run. Alright, either one. Price isn't gonna go sideways or whatever. I mean, it maybe go sideways lah, but one of two things, right? Sweep or run. Okay, now next thing you guys have to know is how did it react. Okay, now it might look like a sweep, okay, but the only reason I didn't go for a sell is because if it were to sweep, it would have inversed this fair value gap, meaning it would have go down, and then we can look for sales potentially here. But it shows that you want to keep on going up, but this isn't very strong momentum of it wanting to go up, so I'll wait for a second bullish candle. This is already one. Next candle is bearish, the following candle will be bullish, and then also over here it stated that there is a fair value gap. Not it stated, it did show a fair value gap, right? Now next thing you have to know is to wait for price to touch the fair value gap. Once price touch the fair value gap, it did show a bullish candle as well, so that's a fucking confirmation for you to buy. Now buy, SL will be here. Let's say you want to target 1:2, simple, okay, and then you target 1:2 should be by a few hours TP hit. Let's see. Yup, instant TP hit, instant. Okay, now very simple model. I'm just gonna show you guys one more time. Take picture and whatsoever. Do your own, you know, thing. Okay. Oh, damn. There's too much information for you guys. Okay, I'm not gonna write this down for you guys. Okay, liquidity sweep plus 5 minute fair value gap or inverse fair value gap. Vice versa, if it was a run, it will be a liquidity run plus 5 minute FVG / IFVG. Boom. Simple. Take picture, back test. If you guys want to know a more in-depth way of how I find liquidity, how I actually mark out fair value gap, which are the days to trade, which are the days to avoid, etc., join my VIP. How much? Free. Okay. Take care everyone. You know, I hope you guys have a lovely day. It's been your boy Zan Hamad, and yeah, I'm gonna go back to work, and I hope you guys can benefit something from this, like real shit. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my VIP. Salam, ciao.